In this video, I'm going to show you how to show sensitive content on your Twitter account or your X account. So unfortunately, for some reason, even in 2026, it's very strange, but you can't actually do this in the X app. You have to do this on a browser. So if you want to do it through Safari or Google Chrome, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go ahead to my Chrome app here. And what you want to do is just go on to x.com. It's very important to know that do not let the web page redirect you to the app. You have to be on a web-based version. So once you're here, and do not worry, if you affect it here and change settings here, it will automatically be updated on the app itself. So once you're on your X homepage, go to your profile at the top left-hand corner, and then go down to where it says settings and privacy and go ahead and click that. Once this loads up, you want to go to where it says privacy and safety. And then about a third of the way down, you want to go to where it says content you see. And really the only thing you got to do here is go ahead and see where it says display media that may contain sensitive content. You want to go ahead and toggle that on. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to show sensitive content on X.